Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Felicia Mesadieu. I am a creative and designer based out of Houston, Texas. On my channel, I like to document my life and journey in design. In today's vlog, I'll be sharing with you a few days living out my everyday normal life in the month of November. Thanks for stopping by my neck of the woods. Greetings, happy Sunday. It's November the 5th. It's my birthday month. Ow! I'm having a really good amount of energy flowing through my body for the month of November. Hopefully it will extend until December. We'll see. Things are going great. I just started my UI UX boot camp and I've been working on that for about a week and a half now. And it feels really good to have invested in myself. So the future is looking bright for me. I want to sit down and talk about this a little bit later. I just finished recording about 4 videos, so that puts me ahead of schedule for videos for November. I just have to edit them. That's honestly, I think, a little bit more of the more challenging part, is getting the editing in and then getting it uploaded, getting it uploaded before you said you were gonna get it uploaded. So yeah, but I've been working all day. I feel really, really good. I straightened my hair yesterday. I went to Dry Bar. That was an interesting experience, but nevertheless, my hair is straightened. I hope to keep it straight for the whole month of November, and then we're going back to the twist because, sis, I am trying to get waist length hair this time around. I did not achieve that the last 9 years, but the next 5, I'm getting waist length hair. That's for sure. So you can count on the twist being back. Happy Saturday! I'm stepping out. I'm about to go to the Zine Fest in Houston, Texas. So I'm taking you along. And I'm just wearing some jeans and a red sweater. I got this red sweater like 4 or 5 years ago when I lived in California. I purchased it from Express. I want to be one of the girlies that talks about what perfume they're gonna put on. I love perfume, so I am going to put on the Lancome Idol. This is like my signature fragrance at the moment. I'm obsessed. When I say at the moment, it's been my signature fragrance for about 4 years now. It just smells so good. It's so light. I've never been to a zine fest before, but I've always wanted to go to a zine festival. I learned about zines when I was studying to be a graphic designer about 3 years ago. And I actually had to make a zine, an online zine, and I always said I want to go to a zine fest, so I'm going. The AIGA is in partnership with the zine fest. I believe they're hosting it, or they're collaborating it, or they're telling people about it. One of those things. So I'm gonna head out because I am a member of AIGA, and hopefully in the new year I'll be more active as a volunteer. I'm just trying to get through some stuff, most importantly my portfolio and my boot camp, or my UI UX boot camp. I started my UI UX design journey a few weeks ago, and I'm going to be documenting that whole journey, but I thought I'd mention it in my vlog as well because I'm also going to be vlogging about it. About last night. So last night I went to Flower Child, which is a very health conscious restaurant. I went with my friend Gozy. We had the most amazing conversation. Oh my God, we are such kindred spirits. And we had such great cuisine. It was so good, it was so healthy. And today I decided that I am going to go get sushi. I can't shake sushi. I can't shake it. So I'm either gonna have a solo date. I asked Nicole if she wanted to meet up with me. If she wants to meet up with me, I'm waiting for her response. But if not, then I'm gonna have a solo date by myself, taking myself to the Zine Fest, and then I'm gonna go get sushi. So I'm gonna go. Come with me. Ideas of illusion. Why spit?
We were kind of like paintballing ideas.
That's so dope. Okay, who's the artist?
That's a collective. I made, like, this is like my side, like I made a zine. My sister made this print. Alondra made that zine. It's her protest photography. I made that print. And then Chloe made these anthropology research. Yeah. And then Alondra made the crochet scarf and bag. And then,
Okay.
For everybody, thank you.
Okay, what's the story behind the zine?
Yeah, it's all about the Houston music scene.
Okay.
So I have interviews with local bands and articles about stuff pertaining to Houston music.
Okay. Okay. This is my first zine fest, so I'm just trying to get an understanding of how it all works. dope. What's the story behind this?
So I created a character called Goldsuit.
I'm leaving the art fest now. I had a very interesting time. As it was my first zine fest, I didn't know what to expect. But it was a lot of vendors with zines. And this is the artwork that I'm taking home with me. I love this. This really stood out. Really stood out. Loved it. I talked to a lot of the vendors, the individuals, like artists and illustrators. I didn't put them on camera because you never know if people just want a camera in their face, but I listened to their stories about the work, and I felt like that was good enough. So I have some clips of that, but yeah. Oh, and I got this sticker from Amy. She's a part of AIGA. I thought this was so cute. So, and I love stickers. So yeah. Okay, off to go have sushi with Nicole. Happy Thanksgiving! Happy Thanksgiving 2023. Can you believe we are almost at the end of the year? November has been a really great month for me. I have just been having all the feels for the month of November, and it's my birthday next week, so I'm just feeling so good. And today what I'm gonna do is make myself some dinner. I'm making a Thanksgiving dinner. I'm doing it solo, independently. This is always what I dreamed of. I've always dreamed to make myself an amazing candlelight dinner and just enjoy it by my lonesome. Last year, I did not spend Thanksgiving alone. And the year before that, I didn't spend Thanksgiving alone. And I haven't spent Thanksgiving alone in years. As a matter of fact, I don't remember the last time I've ever spent Thanksgiving alone. No. The year before that, I did spend Thanksgiving alone, 2021. But 2022, I did not. 2023, I'm spending Thanksgiving alone, but not in a melancholy way. I'm not sad. I'm actually pretty excited for today, and I'm gonna make some delicious dinner. I have never made myself Thanksgiving dinner, and that's what I'm gonna do. But I'm keeping it very simple. I'm just doing some things that I want. I'm making potato au gratin. But I'm adding some beef in it. I am making an apple dumpling and some cornbread and salad. I'm not a big turkey fan. I'm just not, I've never been. I love beef, I love potatoes, I love cheese. I don't feel like I need to make macaroni and cheese if I'm gonna make potato au gratin that has all this cheese. There's a lot of carbs, and we're still trying to work off some weight. But I did work out today. I had the most amazing run this morning. I ran and walked a total of like, I think 5.3 miles. And I got up early to do it. So I'm feeling good. I'm feeling real accomplished. Now it's just time to make some dinner for the day. Well, it's gonna be for the rest of the week. I'm not gonna eat all that, but yeah. So let's get started.